How to fix wealth inequality in America. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video. And today we're talking about, I wanted to touch on something a little bit serious, okay? We're talking about how to fix wealth inequality in America. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, I know I talk about wealth building a lot on this channel and making money online and investing in stocks and real estate and all this good stuff because this is Wealthbuilderz TV. This is what we do, okay? So with that being said, let's talk about how we can fix wealth inequality in America. First and foremost, let's talk numbers, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, not that kind of numbers. No. Okay. How much? If I spend a certain amount of money on traffic, I usually get a certain amount of leads, and then those leads turn into buyers, and I make this. No, we're not talking those numbers. We're talking about the top 0.1% of Americans that own about as much wealth as the bottom 99% combined. Does that make sense to you? That's a real disproportionate income ratio, right? Only 1% of Americans own as much wealth as the bottom 99% combined. 1 in 5 Americans has zero or negative net worth. So that means out of 5 people you meet or see, one of them have zero or negative net worth. Wow. Okay, let's talk about another thing. Nearly half of households lack a basic personal safety net to prepare for emergencies. So if there's an emergency or a situation that you got to deal with, you don't have a backup. You don't have no income. You don't have no cash to pull to say, hey, I got that. Don't worry about that. I took care of that. No. And it would take black families, my skin color, 228 years to amass the same amount of wealth white families have today. If average black family wealth continues to grow at the same pace and rate it has over the past 3 decades, okay? And for the average Latino family, they're doing a little better. It would take 84 years to catch up. So basically, it would take 2 times a lifetime for a black family to catch up to the white families out there. And then for an average Latino family, it'll take about a lifetime for them to do so. Because 84 years is about a lifetime, okay? Because the average person does about 70 years, 70 to 75 years on this earth, okay? This is literally a lifetime to catch up. But the truth be told, we can't worry about catching up, per se. Okay, we have to worry about fixing the now and setting the groundwork and moving forward. That's so we can start to even out. Okay, even if it's just like maybe 10%, 20% of Americans, have the wealth of the rest, the 80% have. That's a little better ratio than just in 1% compared to 99%. That's ridiculous. Okay, all right, so I've come up with a few ways that we could fix the wealth inequality in America without getting too radical. Yep, your boy DeVaughn been in the kitchen thinking about some ways that we could do it, man. And I want you to hear me out. Listen, maybe write some of this stuff down. Get your pen and paper, pad, maybe your tablet, your phone, whatever it is, okay? Write this stuff down and start really thinking about how could you, gain wealth and start building wealth for your family and your friends and your surroundings and your community, So let's get it started. I know we've been talking a lot, but check it out. Number 1, mindset. We have to change our mindset from being only consumers, but turn it into producers, meaning create something and sell it for profit. Everyone has a talent and should use that talent to make a profit in some shape or form. Even if you don't consider yourself an entrepreneur, you can make more income online than your job without quitting your job. Okay? You have to change your mindset from just being a consumer, basically. You got to think outside the box a little bit. Number 2, learn about money. To build generational wealth, we must first learn how investing our money works. We must learn at least the basics like stocks, bonds, Bitcoin now, real estate, and other assets to invest in before we can close the gap. It's not about only saving money. We got to figure out a way to grow that money, and that comes through investing, right? Number 3, teach our kids about money, okay? Not just about how to get money, because we can't begin to close the gap without teaching our kids how to handle their money better, okay? So we must learn it ourselves first, like learn how to handle our money, how to save better, how to invest better, how to make more money, all that good stuff, and then teach the younger generation how to use their money that they earn and gain, okay? Number 4, begin to invest, because we can't just learn it and not do it, right? We don't have to invest large sums of money either to become wealthy or begin the wealthy snowball, okay? We have to use what we call compound interest, right? Because compound interest will grow your account fairly quickly, okay? Basically, over time, the interest that is gained, you will reinvest it to gain bigger amounts of interest. Okay, so it just becomes basically a financial snowball, okay, of income, right? Number 5, which kind of goes back to mindset, but number 5, hear me out. Becoming online business owners. And I'm not just talking about a YouTube channel, okay? All right, even though that's a good start. A YouTube channel, a blog, a website, that is a good start. But we have to become online business owners, because I say online because most people can't afford to do brick and mortar, start a Subway, or go ahead and start a chain of stores somewhere or something like that. That stuff is starting to become obsolete, okay? You can get mad at me for bringing this up again, but this is the secret sauce to closing the wealth inequality in America, okay? Savings is cool. Yes, we need to have savings. We need to have some type of backup income just in case something happens, right? But you need to generate more income beyond your job. And I'm not saying quit your job, okay? Okay, because the fact is, online usage is continuing to grow, okay? My 7-year-olds walk around with their tablets all day, okay? My 10-year-old is on his laptop all day, basically. And as they get older, they're going to use the internet more. And once they become able to go get a job or start creating an income for themselves, they're going to want to buy things, and those things are going to be shipped to them, okay? By the time they get older, stores might just be obsolete. It might just be all e-commerce locations. You know what I'm saying? It's time for people to realize that it would be in your best interest to use this vehicle we call online, okay, and tablets and phones and smartphones and all this good stuff to grow your wealth, okay, at extremely faster rate than we've ever seen before, okay, because small stores are becoming obsolete. Big box stores that, a big location of places where to go and get certain things, that's what it is, okay? Maybe services are going to stay the same, haircuts and beauty salons and spas and things like that. Yeah, that's what it's going to be outside of online e-commerce, okay? So keep that in mind, people. It's time to start building your online business. Trust and believe, man, it's time. All right, so click the link below in the description. I can show you how to build your wealth online using my Wealth Builder system. Okay, it's free to start, free to use. Okay, I teach you YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, all these social media marketing. That's so you don't even have to spend money on marketing right out the gate. You can learn the free way of marketing and how to get your business off the ground. All right. So go ahead and click the link below, put your information in, watch the video. All right. Until next time, it's your boy DeVaughn signing off for how to fix wealth inequality in America. Thanks for watching. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.